morning, class. So before we start our class, please stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. So before you sit down, please pick up some trashes under your chair and arrange your chair, please. So in my class, I have some reminders of you, class. So I have 3 rules. So the first rule is you need to be quiet. The second rule is while teacher is talking and I am talking in front of you, please be listened. And the third rule is please raise your right hand if you need to excuse and you will answer those questions I've given for you. So and now let's check the attendance first. So for the set A, who is absent? Okay, very good. For the set B, okay, there's no absent for today. Clap your hands, class. Okay. So now, sit down. So now, class, who among you here can recall what was our last topic last meeting? Anyone? Okay. Our last topic is all about the 9 planets. What are the 9 planets again? Okay, very good. You're totally genius, class. So now, teacher Van, I have prepared some games. So are you excited to have to play a game? Okay, so the game called puzzle game. So the instruction is you have here a 10 flashcard. Then each card has pictures. So you need to puzzle until you you puzzle. Okay? Okay, so I will give you this. Okay, class. For the set A, are you finished? Okay, you're finished. How about the set B? Okay, so now, if you have noticed the pictures in your puzzle, what pictures or what images is the puzzle represent? Okay, the planets. So you know that we are and we live in the planet Earth, right? Yes. So class, did you know that the planet Earth has a layer? Okay, so now before we formally start our class, I will present to you the objectives. The first objective is identify the layers of the Earth. The second one is differentiate the size of its layers. And the last one is create their own model of the layers of the Earth and the label of the Earth accordingly. So after the class session, these objectives will represent as every one of you class totally achieve the knowledge that I given for you. Okay? Okay. So now we will proceed our class formally. So as what I have given to you the motivation, so do you have any idea what is our topic for today? Okay, the planets. So now since you are familiar about the planet Earth because we are living in the planet Earth, so we need to identify that the Earth has a layer. So are you excited to know what is the layers of the Earth? Okay, so our topic it is all about the layers of the Earth. So the first layer, the Earth has a third layer class. So the first layer is the what? Okay, the first layer is we call the crust. What is crust? What do you think the crust is? So the crust represents the crust represent as is the outermost layer of the earth. So the tiniest among the layers of the earth. Ang crust di ay is mauni siya ang the outermost layer of the earth. This is the part that the crust is located. So the crust class has two types. The first type is a oceanic crust. Teacher, where can we see the oceanic crust? So the oceanic crust found under the ocean floor and is made of dense rocks such as basalt. And the second one is the continental crust. So where we can find the continental crust, teacher? So the continental crust found under land masses that is made of less dense rocks such as granite. So since we are now finished and the layers of the earth, which is the crust, so we need to proceed the second one, which is the mantle. So a mantle is a layer between the crust and core made of rocks containing Si rather, Fe, Mg, and other minerals. So mantle also has two types. So the first type is a lower mantle. Lower mantle. So a lower mantle is the region inside the earth that resides beneath the upper mantle. And the second one is the upper mantle. So starts below the crust and gets down to deep of around 200 miles the boundary of the lower mantle. So, and now the third one or the last layer of the earth is called core. So what is core? The core is what we can call the center of the earth, is the deepest and the hottest layer and made up two layers itself. So this is crust. If you have seen the picture, this is the core, the hottest part of the earth. Just look, the color is yellow, so it represents as fire, so meaning it is the hottest part, so we can't go there because it's hot. So since the core has two layers itself, the first layer is a inner mantle. So is the innermost layer of the earth is solid due to immense pressure. So this one, the inner core, this is solid glass. This one. And the last part is the outer core. The outer core is liquid because the lower pressure allows the iron and nickel to melt. So this part glass, it is a liquid, so meaning it is what? Okay, so just like water, right? So it is liquid. So now class, do you have any questions about our discussion today? Okay, so since you don't have any questions, I prepare an activity for you class. So get your paper so we can start answering our activity. So I will just give you 10 minutes to answer the questions. Are you done, class? Okay, so let's check your scores, please. Okay, exchange your paper. Okay. Who get the perfect score? Oh, very good. 80% of you get a perfect score. How about the 20% of my students? Ah, okay. Since everyone has a passing score, so before we end our class, please get your assignment notebook. I have a assignment for you. Okay. Are you done copying? Yeah. Okay. Just put your assignment notebook inside your bag, please. Don't forget your pen, pencil, scissor. No more things above your knee, above your chair. Okay. So before we end the class, please pick up some trashes under your chairs. I can see it that there are some trashes there. Please pick up the trashes. Okay. Please stand for the prayer class. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Goodbye, class. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.